Alright, here's the plan. I have some firecrackers right there, and I've got a blu-ray disc in here. It's got fingerprints, but it ain't scratched up. I'm gonna put it here, put all these firecrackers in it, on it, and see if it'll scratch it up any. And if it does, well, that'd be funny, because I want to see how indestructible they are. I don't know how I'm gonna do this though. Got to get them lit somehow. They may not all blow up, I don't know. Okay, lay it there. Okay, it damaged it right there a little bit. Put a few more right here. Did some damage right there. Some of these got wet. Can't hear a freaking thing. I think I see a crack in it. Okay. That's pretty damaged up. Do a few more. Ooh. Okay. Now, that's pretty screwed up. I'm going to see if it plays. And this is only the Welcome to PlayStation and PlayStation Network disc in a game. Alright. And I'm going to come back here and see if it'll play whenever my dad gets off the TV.